Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start right away by confirming your Office license and signing in so updates apply correctly. Once signed in, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Wired is best. Then open Excel and go to File, Account, and choose Update options. Select Update Now to begin. You trigger the update and download sequence. While it runs, keep Excel open and avoid heavy network tasks so the download completes without interruption. This first step gets the process moving. Once the update starts, watch for prompts asking to close Office apps. Respond promptly so files install cleanly. If user account control appears, provide admin permission because installs modify system files. For Microsoft 365, updates usually apply automatically. For standalone Office, make sure Windows Update is enabled or use the manual installer from your admin portal. If progress stalls, pause other large downloads and let the installer finish. These middle steps ensure the update actually applies rather than just download. You finish by restarting the computer to let pending file replacements complete and services restart. After reboot, open Excel and confirm the new build under File, Account, About Excel so you know the update succeeded. Make sure Auto Update remains enabled so future patches install automatically. If something goes wrong, like update failure or version mismatch, run programs and features right arrow Office, right arrow Change, right arrow Quick Repair. If that fails, try online repair or sign out and back in. That repair step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.